To use your Cash App card for the first time, start by activating it through the Cash App on your mobile device. Open the Cash App and select the Cash Card tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap the image of your Cash Card and then select Activate Cash Card. You will be prompted to scan the QR code or enter the CVV code and expiration date found on the back of your card. Once your card is activated, you can use it to make purchases online, in stores, or to withdraw cash from an ATM. To add funds to your Cash App card, link a bank account or debit card to your Cash App account. You can do this by selecting the Banking tab at the bottom of the screen and following the prompts. To link your account, once your account is linked, you can transfer funds from your bank account to your Cash App account. You can also use the Cash App to receive direct deposits, such as your paycheck. To add funds to your account, to make a purchase with your Cash App card, simply swipe or insert your card at the payment terminal and enter your PIN. You can also use your card to make online purchases by selecting the Cash App card as your payment method. It is essential to keep your Cash App account and card information secure by using a strong password and keeping your account details confidential. You should also monitor your account activity regularly to detect any suspicious transactions. In case you encounter any issues with your Cash App card, you can contact Cash App support for assistance. They can help you with activating your card, transferring funds, or resolving any other issues you may have. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and effectively use your Cash App card to manage your finances and make purchases. Remember to always keep your account information secure and monitor your activity to ensure a positive experience with your Cash App card.